Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna be organizing my bathroom today. It's nothing crazy, it's not really that disorganized, but when I first got here a month ago, I like threw everything under the sink. So I'm gonna fix it. Alright, let's go. Okay, so now that I have everything out of the one drawer and then the cupboard, I'm gonna start figuring out what I'm gonna do with it. Okay, so I actually have a bin here that literally has containers for other stuff. And I don't even like use half of these things. So I think I'm just gonna start by putting the big stuff into one of those dollar store bins. This is like the shampoo and conditioner that I use, but I have those guys there that I just refill, especially with this one. I don't like red Gatorade because of that. That's a full enough box for me. I don't really like to have to dig for things, so that one's done. I'm just gonna put it over there for now. This is all just a plethora of little medical stuff. This is all hair stuff. We've got scrunchies in here, clips, a crap ton of bobby pins. I've got nail stuff, eyebrow pencils, my extra toothbrush. Epsom salt for baths, but as you can see, I don't have a tub. I'm sure someone will want this. I'm not going to try and throw it away, so. So there's like a saying that you can never be too organized, right? But what about all the stuff that you buy to organize, but you don't even have that much stuff? Use it to put all of my hair stuff in, like, at home. I'm actually going to close these up and I'm probably just going to put them under my open bins. Okay, so these are actually not going to be able to fit under here without this bin coming up. It won't, that's in the way, so I'm actually not going to put these under the sink. I'm probably going to find another place for them, or I will give them away or something like that. So those are gonna stay in there like that by themselves. Put my towels back in. Okay, so I actually just decided to roll those and I put them in the corner and it doesn't look too cluttered now. So I actually just tried something. This actually fits in still closes, so I think I might use this up here. I'll start by putting the large things in here that aren't going to be in a bin. I'm gonna re-roll that. Much better. And I'll throw that in. That looks good. Maybe over here. And I'll go for the rest of this. I don't use this quite as often. That's what that looks like now. And then I think I'm gonna add the other one. So this is my makeup bag, brush. I don't know if I like this here. I'll take this out. Wondering where my toothbrush was. I just had this sitting here. Okay, so I think I'm done. I kind of like it. Throw this in here, and that's for my candle. I'm actually just gonna put that right there in the corner. Looks cute. So I did have this mask sitting in one of my bins, and I don't really do masks that often, but to get rid of it, I think I'm just gonna do it today after I'm done with this video. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna clean the bathroom. I don't know if you guys are anything like me, but I like to double clean. I like to start off with these disinfecting wipes, Clorox wipes. I go over everything again with this stuff. It smells so good, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so I did something productive today, now so can you. It's time for me to relax. Thanks for watching.